Morning, folks. This is another rental property right here. As you can see, a little bit of a mess. A little bit of old plants in the ditch line. Previous people moved out. Yeah, good old glorious days right here. You can see the house, it's not too bad. Grass is probably about 6 to 8 inches in some areas. So we're going to do a quick walk down to this one. This is one that we haven't been on before. So stay tuned. Take a walk with us. All right.
Hey!
We're going to do a walk down of the new yard. And just see what we can find.
I see an Easter egg. I'm getting it.
You think there's money in there?
It might be.
Think
There's
so?
chocolate. I ain't splitting it. I'll split the money.
Is it an Easter egg? Oh, that's a tiger stripe one. That's a rare one.
It's a dog toy.
No, that's a squishy
Go
thing.
give it to the supervisor. Maybe she'll play with it.
Squishy egg. Wonder if they use vinegar with this one.
Crazy.
All right. Mulch beds look pretty good. Planter beds. They could use a little love. Yard not too bad. Little pieces of trash here and there. Another planter bed. Not too bad. A little bit more trash from the interior people. A little bit of growth over here. Growth on the property line here. Oh, buddy. All right. Let's take a look at the back. Oh, wow. There's a whole shop back here. Holy cow. And a fenced-in area. Wow. Another planter bed. Not too bad. Some pea gravel landscape right here. Oh, let's take a view here. Another little planter bed. Used to be a pool back there. Yeah. It's got potential. It'd be a nice place. We'd have to come in here and do a lot of demo, especially on this back. Pool area. Used to be pool area. Planter beds around this. Little storage building. Maybe it was a shop. Maybe it was a living space. Who knows? Rest of the backyard. Little shed right here. Rest of the backyard right here. Possibly with maybe some planters right here. Something of that nature. It's not too horrible. Not too bad. Alright folks, well, we're going to get this one knocked out. Try to get y'all some video of us taking care of this property. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're in the backyard. We're going to take care of this. Mary's already run over this one time to get everything kind of knocked down at an even level. As you can see behind me, she is going back over it again. I'm going to do some back over her. I'm going to get this knocked down a little bit lower because of the crabgrass. Crabgrass grows kind of weird. We all know. But you can see a little bit better how it cleans up a little bit. So we're going to drop it. It's going to take about another 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch off the top. Just to get it down to where it's a good level basis, so that way when we're maintaining this, everything will stay at that good height. So as it'll grow, everything will be done. Because you can see a lot of the weed areas and stuff. This place hasn't been mowed in several weeks or trimmed. So we got a lot on us today for just this yard. But it won't take us long to knock it out. But y'all just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna start mowing. All right, guys. Well, one thing I'm not fond of is snakes, and this one kind of snuck up on me. I was trimming right over here, this little thicket. It's not really thick, but it was kind of high. This is really good wet ground right here. And little friend came to visit me, and so I let the weed eater kind of take action on him because he kind of snuck up on me. But other than that, if I would have known he was ahead of me, I would have let him run. But you know, it's kind of a self-defense thing. So that's what's left of him. This little old chicken snake. But just, that's enough for me, guys. So we'll get the rest of this yard cleaned up, and I'm finishing up some trimming and stuff right now. So as soon as I get that finished, I will show y'all a preview of what the finished product looks like. All right, folks, we got this one done. I'm gonna show y'all finished product right here. We're gonna do a little walk around. Here's the front yard. As you can see, got the ditch line trimmed up. After the incident of seeing the snake, I don't know if there's any down in here. I'm not gonna take my chances. I'll let them have the area. Grass is just grass. But that's the front area right here. Looking nice, cleaned up. Don't look too shaggy now. All right, let's take a trip into the backyard. All right, folks, we in the backyard here. Nice little trimmed in area right here. See over there. As we done in the fast-paced video, just want to let y'all see some trimming up close. Resident is still unsure about a lot of this area, so that's why not a lot of focus on there. Don't know if they're going to keep this, don't know if they're going to kill this, redo it. Still got to move some ground right here where the pool was. Got this trimmed around here, trimmed around the trees over here. Little shed, everything's cleaned up. All right, guys. Like I said before, be sure to check our website out, lucky7landscaping.com. Feel free to hit us up on social media. Lucky7 Lawn, Landscaping, and Cleaning Services on social media. Should be the same on Instagram and Facebook. Like I said, if you will, please like, subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, give us a hey, high five, good job, whatever y'all like to do on there. Just be sure to reach out to us if y'all have any questions or concerns. Feel free to us, as I've said before. If you are local to the area, if you are one of our current clients, then be sure to share us, let people know that we do a good job, let people know that we are dedicated to taking care of your landscape. So on to the next one, guys. I'll see you then.